The lion's roar is so loud that it can be heard up to 8 kilometers. Their voice is so powerful that they use it to push or scare other animals by giving them the address of their territory. The tiger is a social animal and lives in groups. A pride can have about 3 to 30 lions, mostly female lions and their cubs. Lions usually hunt by group. The female bears most of the responsibility for hunting, while the male lions help to demonstrate their strength and protect the territory. The average lifespan of a tiger is 10 to 14 years, but it can live up to 20 years in captivity. The tiger's speed can reach about 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, but they can only run so fast for a few seconds because they get tired during such a run. The tiger is considered to be the most powerful predator in the world. They have the power to drag a load of more than 1,000 pounds in one stroke. The tiger's tongue is very rough. He has barbed nails on his tongue, which help him to remove the meat from the spoon and eat it. Tigers hunt mostly at night and often attack their prey stealthily from behind. Their eyesight and hearing are very sharp, which makes them excellent hunters for prey. The average lifespan of a tiger in the wild is about 10 to 15 years, while in captivity, it can live up to 20 years. The stripes on each tiger's body are different from each other. That is, the stripes of each tiger are different from other tigers, like the thumb impression of a human. The wolf is a social animal and lives in groups called packs. A pack can have from 2 to 10 wolves, and they have a lead wolf who leads the whole group to hunt and protect their territory. The wolf's voice is so far away that it is used by other wolves to indicate their presence and location. His voice could be heard for miles. The running speed of wolves can reach 40 miles per hour, and they can run long distances to catch their prey. Wolves usually hunt in groups and exhaust their prey through teamwork, then capture it. They chase any prey together so that he cannot escape. Wolves have an excellent sense of smell, and they can smell the scent of anything up to 100 miles away through their noses. With the help of this, they find the prey and also identify the boundaries of their territory. Cheetah is the fastest running animal in the world. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.4 seconds and can reach a top speed of 110 kilometers per hour. Cheetah does not have the ability to run fast for a long time. He can only run so fast for 20 to 30 seconds most of the time, and then he gets tired. Running fast for it is just a way to catch the prey. The body of the cheetah is light and thin so that he can run fast. Its muscular structure and leg strength give it the ability to run the fastest over short distances. The cheetah's vision is very sharp, and it chases its prey when it sees it from a distance. However, its olfactory system is not as powerful as that of other predators. The cheetah approaches its prey mostly stealthily while hunting, then suddenly sprints to capture the prey. He usually grabs the prey by running towards it rather than chasing it away.